Hi, this is Dr. Scott Boden, and I'd like to talk to you today about a patient of mine named Mike. Mike is a 39-year-old man who had a follicular unit extraction hair transplant procedure just over a year ago, involving taking the hair from the back, one follicle at a time, one by one, reimplanting that hair into areas of hair loss in the front. And like many of my patients, Mike is physically active, he takes care of himself, he works out, he pays attention to what he eats, and he was disappointed to see the signs of aging that really didn't jibe with how he perceived himself.
Did the FUE procedure because I did not want a scar on the back of my head. I felt if I was going to do it, I might as well do it exactly the way I wanted it, and that's how I wanted it. I like getting my hair cut down short and getting fades.
We transplanted just over 1,450 hair follicles. It was just over a year ago now, and over the ensuing year, the hair grows in very gradually.
It's been 8 months since my FUE procedure, and it's looking good. It happens gradually, and I'll tell you what, people are noticing. They're like, I thought Mike was going bald, and it's a good feeling. The biggest thing, though, is I had to put gel in my hair for the first time in over about a year and a half, 2 years, and that was a clincher. That was a clincher. I'm really happy. Really good decision. Wish I did it sooner.
When patients come back and see me a year or more after their procedure, they feel more confident, they feel better, they feel grateful, and I personally find it very gratifying to be part of that journey when patients improve their self-esteem and they feel better in many aspects of their life.
I'll tell you what, he came up high on my list out of all of New England, and I definitely made a good decision, and my research paid off because he did an excellent job. It looks natural. I mean, people are confused if I was going bald or not, and that shows you how natural it looks. They're not just looking and automatically assuming I got a hair transplant. They're looking and they're wondering if I was going bald or not going bald, and that definitely shows the quality of the work and the artistry that he puts into his work.